Ayurvedic cooking recipes for mindful wellness and personal transformation. Learn how Ayurvedic cooking nourishes body, mind, and spirit with simple, balanced recipes that support wellness, self-care, and holistic health. Discovering the art of Ayurvedic cooking. Nourish your body, mind, and spirit. Hey, I wanted to share something pretty cool with you today. Ayurvedic cooking. If you've ever heard the term Ayurveda, you probably know it's an ancient system of medicine from India, but what's really fascinating is how it ties into cooking and overall health. Ayurvedic cooking isn't just about making meals. It's about creating balance in your life through food that fuels not only your body, but also your mind and spirit. I think it's a gem for anyone interested in holistic health and personal transformation. So what's unique about Ayurvedic cooking? It all starts with the idea that every person has a unique constitution called a dosha. These doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha, represent different combinations of elements and energies in the body. When you eat according to your dosha, you bring your system into harmony, which supports optimal wellness. This personalized approach is a mindful way to practice self-care through nutrition. Let me walk you through why I'm such a fan of this method. First off, the recipes focus on fresh, seasonal, and whole foods, things that nourish the body and support mental health. You won't find heavily processed products or empty calories here. Instead, Ayurvedic meals emphasize balanced flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent, because each taste influences our bodies in different ways. One important aspect is how Ayurveda considers the digestive system as the cornerstone of health. Strong digestion means better absorption of nutrients, more energy, and a clearer mind. So, you'll often find the use of spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and ginger, which are great for stimulating digestion and so much more. Let me give you a quick, simple recipe example that's perfect to try if you want to get a taste of Ayurvedic cooking. Khichdi. This is like the ultimate comfort food in Ayurveda. It's a one-pot dish made primarily from mung beans and basmati rice, cooked with spices such as turmeric, cumin, and mustard seeds. It's easy on the digestive system, detoxifying, and deeply nourishing. Perfect if you're aiming to reset your system or just want a wholesome meal. Here's a simplified way to make it at home. 1/2 cup split mung beans, rinsed. 1/2 cup basmati rice, rinsed. 1 tsp ghee or oil. 1 tsp cumin seeds. 1 tsp mustard seeds. 1 tsp turmeric powder. Salt to taste. 4 cups water or vegetable broth. Cook the seeds in ghee until they pop. Add the mung beans, rice, turmeric, salt, and water. Simmer for about 35-40 minutes until everything is soft and creamy. The texture is soothing, kind of like a porridge, and it's so good for your digestion and overall energy. Another reason this style of cooking works well for many people on a wellness journey is that it encourages variety and attentiveness to how food impacts your mood and energy. It's about listening to your body, an approach that really aligns well with mindfulness practices and self-help strategies for personal transformation. The beauty is in the simplicity and intentionality. Ayurvedic cooking doesn't just fill you up, it supports your entire being. When you eat balanced meals suited to your dosha, you might notice improved mental clarity, more emotional steadiness, and even physical vitality. It's a genuine form of self-care that's accessible and flexible. Plus, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. That's where the holistic health elements come in. Eating in a calm environment, chewing mindfully, and engaging with your meal without distraction add layers to the experience, enhancing digestion and satisfaction. If this sounds like something you'd want to explore more seriously, there are plenty of resources out there, including some great books on health and wellness that cover various aspects of Ayurveda, cooking, and lifestyle tips that can uplift your mental health and contribute to a healthy lifestyle overall. For anyone curious about stepping into this world thoughtfully, explore the books now. They offer wonderful guidance on integrating Ayurvedic principles into daily life, supporting everything from stress relief to improved digestion, which is crucial for success in both personal growth and maintaining balance. So yeah, Ayurvedic cooking is like giving your body a warm hug from the inside out. a real natural boost for anyone looking to enhance their wellness journey through self-care and mindful eating. It's gentle, nourishing, and perfectly aligned with supporting holistic health on all levels. Give it a shot sometime. Start with something simple like khichdi or a spiced vegetable stew and notice how your body and mind feel. You might find that this ancient approach becomes a modern tool in your toolkit for personal transformation and lasting well-being. All right, that's all for today's chat about Ayurvedic cooking. Hope it inspired you to bring some balance to your plate and your life. Remember, if you want more ideas and guidance for a balanced, healthy lifestyle, check out some of the fantastic resources on health and wellness books. They're packed with insights to help you on your journey.